Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to save Instagram photos and videos in your gallery. First of all, you can open the Instagram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply scroll down and here you can see the option that is archiving and downloading in your app and media section. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the second option that is saving to camera roll. You can just enable the option saving original photos, automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram feeds camera to your camera roll. You can just also enable the option save story to camera roll, and after this automatically save photos and videos to your phone's camera roll. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.